That mountain that looks like a cone of nuts or Baskin Robbins, that's Pumari.
Okay. Moving over.
As you go right, then you have ring trim. You can see lots of snow coming down. And then on the right of it is Kumbutse.
Okay. In between?
And in between is a mountain that belongs to Tibet. We call it the Tibetan mountain, also called Tangse by the Tibetan language. If you come down, you'll see the Khumbu ice fall.
Yeah.
Go up, that's Lola.
Okay.
And then you see
Everest.
Everest, wind blowing the snow off.
Okay. Big one in front of us.
On top of Everest, snow doesn't hang, snow gets blown off. And then you see Nuptse, 25,500 feet.